feel super high. Super high.
I gotta get rollers. Huh? I said unless they want like $250,000.
I feel super high.
Y'all think my truck is big. Look at it next to Jeff's. Holy crap. The thing makes mine look tiny. Remember when I threw these in the river and made a big kaboom, and they're actually a lot more powerful than I thought? Oh wow. We might have to recycle this turbo because nobody's gonna buy it. We'll get back to that. Let me show you guys what I did over the weekend. So as we all know, I do not have a 30-inch lift. Sometimes I forget that. And there's not really much space in between these tires. So when you try to flex the truck, it doesn't really work. Yeah, we kind of made a big oof, ripped off this fender a little bit. Not fixable, but I'm just a little mad because nobody got it on video. There's like 1,000 people watching and nobody recorded it. What's going on with you guys? Come on, I can't record everything. Help me out next time, please. So, gotta fix that at some point. We drove the truck about 13,000 miles over the weekend. Put a little bit of mileage on. Did the tires even wear? They look brand new. These are military tires, so the weight of the truck only weighs 2,000 pounds. So these tires really aren't going to wear unless I do burnouts. And the truck doesn't do burnouts. Not powerful enough. Speaking of power, the new turbo. We drove 13,000 miles on a turbo without a custom tune. Going up the hills, it kind of just blacked out the highway. We got 8.6 miles per We got 0.86 miles per gallon the whole way there. It cost $3,000 to drive it that far. Now, these tires are military grade 46-inch tires, so they do not ride that good. I said that they ride pretty good driving around town, but after putting 13,000 miles on these over the weekend, I've realized they are not good road trip tires. So one of two things have to happen. Either one, I have to get rid of these. I have to put some 28s and 42s on it, which I saw a few at the show. They were not bad looking, so I think that might be the move. Or we need to buy a Toyota Tacoma and a gooseneck to tow the truck to shows, because we can't drive at 13,000 miles again. I mean, we can, just my back hurts. Shout out to Lacey Blair. She gave me this shirt. Actually, we purchased this shirt because we support people. Badass men support badass women.
What is happening?
Battery's dead.
Actually?
Yeah.
We love that.
I did leave the rock lights on for like 10 hours by accident. FYI, don't leave your rock lights on all night.
You do be running. Ding, ding, bong, bong. I can never tell where he's coming from. Oh, shoot. Right there.
Right.
Wow. We don't even put cups in our cup holders anymore.
We put fire in our cup holders. Oh my God, Jesus Christ.
Bye, Kiwi Shark.
G56 Bob.
You got shift? You got shift?
I did! It only goes this far.
Oh no! Oh no, my truck! Dirty.
It's a really quick drive to Mexico.
We in Mexico?
This is a wheel highway.
Oh, wheel highway.
This is... What kind of Walmart parking lot?
In the name of country.
Goodbye, Turbo. It's been really nice. Not really. I mean, it sounded kind of cool for a while. Just wasn't enough power. 10 pounds, 6 of dynamite. Gonna put them up there inside that turbo and make the turbo not exist anymore, hopefully.
Oh my. Shots fired.
The turbo's still alive.
What the?
Let's go check it out.
Hmm.
Well, I guess this turbo gets to live to see another day. I need more explosives. Well, I guess the turbo is still for sale. I mean, if anybody really wants it, it's just kind of little warp. It's fine. It's fine. watching. Have a good Grandparents' Day. Have a good Grandparents' Day.